In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pixelate an image in Canva. For those of you who may not be familiar with Canva, it's a fantastic online graphic design tool that's perfect for creating everything from social media posts to presentations. Pixelating an image can be a great way to add a unique artistic touch, or to obscure parts of an image for privacy reasons. So, let's dive right in and learn how to achieve this effect in just a few easy steps. First, you'll need to open your design project within Canva, where you have the image you want to pixelate. Once you're in your project, look for the image you intend to pixelate. Simply click on the image to select it. This step is crucial as it allows you to access various editing options specifically for that image. Now that you have your image selected, your next move is to head over to the top menu where you'll find a button labeled Edit. Clicking this will bring up a range of image editing features that Canva offers. Within this menu, you'll encounter a wide array of tools to modify your image, from adjusting colors to applying filters, and more. Among the options, you'll see one named Pixelify. This is the tool we'll use to pixelate your image. Click on Pixelify and you'll notice that your image will begin to transform with the pixelation effect. Now take a moment to check the effect and see if it's at the intensity that you desire. If it's too pixelated or not enough, don't worry. Canva allows you to fine-tune the level of pixelation to perfectly suit your needs. Simply adjust the slider or settings provided by the Pixelify tool to increase or decrease the pixelation until you're happy with how it looks. After you've perfected the pixelation effect, the last step is to click on Replace. This action will finalize the changes and apply the effect to your image within your design. You can then move forward with using your pixelated image as part of your project, whether it's for a social media post, a presentation, or any other creative work you might be crafting. And that's all there is to it. In just a few easy steps, you've learned how to use Canva to pixelate an image, adding a creative and potentially very useful effect to your visual projects. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you feel ready to go ahead and try it out in your own designs. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different images and levels of pixelation to see what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.